What's poppin', pretty gang? Today's video is going to be a video that was requested by one of my pretty gang babies because I'm really trying to do all the videos y'all request because I feel like I owe that to y'all. Today's video is going to be my updated hygiene routine. I haven't done a hygiene routine in a long time, and my hygiene routine has definitely changed in a way. So I'm going to show you guys all the hygiene products I use in my routine. I'm going step by step. So as far as oral hygiene, I'm not going to include that in this video. If you do want to see my oral hygiene and like what my oral hygiene is, I have a video up on my channel and I'll link it in the description if you want to go see it. So let's just go ahead and get into the hygiene routine. Basically, I'm going to be showing you guys, guys can do this too. Don't see my video and feel like you can't do this, but it's going to be a few products that I mentioned that only girls can use. When I get in the shower, I usually shower in hot water. If I shower in cool water, it's because I'm feeling kind of like hot and I just feel like I need a cool shower. Sometimes I do take a cool shower, but 9 to 10 I'm taking a hot shower. So the water is nice and hot and steamy because, as you guys know, when your water is hot, that is how the scent really gets on your skin, and it just makes the scent last and you just smell fresher and you get a lot more cleaner. So I will take a towel. My towels are all the way over there. I don't feel like getting them, but I will insert a picture in the video of how the towels look. So as far as my body goes, I use a more kind of textured type of towel, type of cloth, because you want to actually kind of scrub at the skin, not like scrub abrasively, but you want to kind of scrub at the skin so that way you're really getting a good clean and scrubbing away that surface of dirt and just getting your body nice and clean. So I kind of use, like I said, a more kind of coarse, rougher textured towel. I take that towel and I let it get hot under the hot water, and I like to wash my body with bar soap first. Now let me tell y'all, before I show y'all this, let me tell you, this bar soap, I don't know no soap that will beat this, that will amount to this. Trust me, baby girl, I am a hygiene fanatic. I don't use pretty much every bar of soap there is to use, okay? So I would know, okay? This is the best bar soap you can use. It will have you smelling fresh and you will truly be clean and you will feel like it. It's just amazing. It's the bomb. And that's what I like about it too. A boy or a girl, a guy or a woman can use it. It doesn't matter. It's the Dove cucumber bar soap. Now I don't know if I mentioned this on my channel before, but baby, I literally have like 10 boxes of this. Me and my boyfriend use it. My boyfriend actually put me onto it. Go get it when you try it, because I know you're gonna come back on my video and be like, girl, it worked for me. Let me know it worked for you, and thank you, girl, later. I'm putting you on cue. And after I clean my body, I soak the towel up really, really good with that bar soap, and I cleanse my whole body down except for my downstairs area. Dove does not irritate. I don't care what Dove bar it is that I use, scented or not. No matter saying, it does not irritate my downstairs area. That's why I love Dove, and you will always see me washing up with it. I just cleanse my whole body down with it. And I go over my body like 2 to 3 times. Clean under your armpits for like a minute, because me personally, I be putting on, like when I put on deodorant, I put on a good amount because I don't want to be, you know, a little musty. So I put on a good amount, okay? So then you want to just clean under your armpits for a good minute. Each one gets like 60 seconds, maybe more if you feel like you need it. You want to use, and that's where that coarser towel comes in. It really scrubs and cleans at the deodorant debris, because if you have deodorant build up, it will smell a little funky, okay? I clean my body 2 to 3 times just to make sure it is thoroughly clean, and it makes my soap last on me. Now let me teach you a trick. Everybody does not do this because I did not used to do this. Now a trick you can do and can use to make the soap smell even stronger on you is take your bar of soap and like put it in your towel, and as you're cleansing your body, keep the towel in the soap, the soap inside the towel, and cleanse your body with the towel and the soap at the same time. You gonna smell bomb, okay? You gonna smell good. After we cleanse our body, it's now time to wash the vag. Now I use a different towel for this area because this area is a little more sensitive. You wanna do something not so abrasive. You wanna do something a little bit more, you know, easy on the peasy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all like that easy on the peasy. Y'all do. So you want to take a microfiber towel or a baby washcloth. Like I said, I'm going to insert pictures because my towels are all the way over there and I don't feel like getting up. I know it's lazy, I know. You want to use those, get the towel nice and hot, soap your towel up, and sometimes 9 times out of 10 I'm going to be using Dove original bar soap, but I ran out. I've been using the sensitive one, and the sensitive one is cool and it does the same thing for the original Dove bar soap because the smell, I just feel more cleaner with that. I soap the towel up really good with the Dove bar soap and the microfiber towel or baby washcloth, whatever you want to use. And I cleanse the area really good, and I'm cleansing that area for about 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, and don't be rough, because people think when you're rougher with it, you're getting it cleaner. No, actually take your time and circular motions and up and down to really make sure you're clean. And don't be scared to spread those lips and get that clitoris and all in between those lips. Get it really good, y'all. Clean around the hole. Don't go up the hole. Please do not go up your hole, please. Clean the little part that connects your butt and your butthole and your vagina hole together. Clean that part real good, because we don't want that stinking. You want to go to your butt and clean your butt for like 2 to 3 minutes really good, and just take your time. Once you clean that area thoroughly and you clean it really good, just, you know, bend over, let the water run for about a good minute, 60 seconds, then turn towards the front and let the water run really good, 60 seconds. You really want to rinse that area thoroughly. Get all the soap off. Hot water, baby, it's gonna be fresh. After we do that, I like to go ahead and then do a scrub. Now let me tell you something about doing sugar scrubs. Before I found out about them, I was taking showers and stuff, and yeah, I would smell good. But when I started doing sugar scrubs, it just put your hygiene game on a whole new level. Like, you will smell 20 times more bomb, and your skin will just look a whole lot different. You know what I'm saying? Feel a lot different, you know what I'm saying? I love Tree Hut. And I got this Tree Hut Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub. And I got this one specifically because I like how it smells. Oh my God. It smells so good, y'all. What I do is, while my body's damp, I recommend you using this on a damp body because I don't know how to feel dry. I will just go ahead and do my whole body, scrub my whole body under my armpits really good, because I do shave, all of that. As far as shaving, I do recommend shaving because, like I say in all my videos, shaving does keep you fresher, because if you're not gonna shave, keep your hair cut to a minimum, because all hair does is trap smell. Try to keep your hair cut to a minimum, if not shaved. That way you don't have to worry about that smell being lingering on you and trapped on you. Exfoliate before you shave. You will have a way smoother shave. Get that, I rinse my body completely off. Now it's time to step out the shower. Dry my whole body from head to toe, and you want to dry that vag area thoroughly. Sometimes I might go in my room and let my body just air dry. Let the air just hit my body and let my, you know, downstairs area breathe. Everything get some air. Let my skin get some fresh air. And then you can apply lotion. Sometimes I don't apply lotion because, like I said, I want to let my body and my skin actually get the chance to breathe. But if you want to put on lotion, go ahead, because you're going to smell better. So if I do put on lotion, lately it's this scent that I really been loving, which is this Beautiful Day by Bath and Body Works. So this is the lotion. Beautiful Day. So I put the lotion on, and then just to smell good, just because you want to smell popping. Works even better. You will smell even better if you get the lotion and the spray that goes together. Like, the smell will just stand out if you get the thing that matches, especially if you get the body wash. Now, I spray this on myself. I also have a video how to make your scent last all day. Check the description box, help you out. That's pretty much it as far as that. Now, believe it or not, y'all, your hair does play part in your hygiene. If your hair does not smell good, you will not smell good. What I like to do is I like to shampoo my hair with products that make my hair feel really good and smell really good. So lately I've been really loving Suave, or is it Suave? A Suave, whatever you want to call it. Suave Professionals Almond and Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner. These things make my hair feel so good and smell so bomb. When your hair smells good and your body smells good, that's the dynamic duo. You just smell amazing. This right here is my deep conditioner, my Holy Grail OG. This stuff had my hair smelling so good and my curls looking wonderful. Okay, if you're taking a shower at night, I do not recommend putting deodorant on. I do recommend putting it on during the day when you're gonna be about and stuff. But if I have to recommend a deodorant, it would definitely be this Lady Speed Stick deodorant, because this stuff lasts me. First of all, it's cheap as heck. Okay, it's $1, and I like the smell. They got different kinds, different smells. And this stuff lasts the next day. This product, y'all, that I have been using lately, okay? I have been using this. Now, don't think because this video is sponsored that I'm just saying this, y'all. I am the type of person that I have to know how something actually works, and I have to actually like it before I bring it onto my YouTube channel and tell other women to use it. Because I care about my hygiene, so I wouldn't use just any old thing. No, y'all wouldn't like that, you know what I'm saying? So I just put myself in you guys' shoes. That I bring on here, even if it's sponsored, I've tried it myself and it actually works. Sweet Cookie. So I seen this product on TikTok. Scrolling through TikTok. This video gonna be a long video, but I was scrolling through TikTok and I seen somebody had posted it. So I'm like, I went to the link in her bio on her TikTok and I went to the Sweet Cookie website. First of all, it's a black-owned business. Can we just get a round of applause? Okay, it's a black-owned business. There's no business like a black-owned business. And everything on that website, I don't care what it is all natural products. So like she has, if you have abnormal discharge, you're not sure what it is, she has testers. Like you can just go on the website and see what I'm talking about. You can test your vaginal fluids and see if you have anything going on down there. Feminine wash, she has, if your cooch not getting wet, she got something for that. She got you. If your stuff not tight, she got something for that. She got you. She got, pretty much it's your one-stop shop for your veg. And these things, and then they had so many good reviews. I just had to try it myself. And go on there and read the reviews. You're gonna see why I tried it, okay? You're gonna see why I tried it. I ordered like 2 things off there. It cost me like $40. So one of the things I ordered, I've been using a lot lately. I really, really love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'll have to stock up. So now keep in mind, I had already ordered the product, so I wasn't in it for the sponsorship. Keep in mind, I didn't get these products for free. I actually paid for them. So don't think like, oh, she got the products for free. Woo, that's why she doing it. So the product that I've been using a lot that I love, and it was like 20 bucks, but trust me, I guarantee you it's worth your 20 bucks. And it's these Cookie Restore. Hopefully y'all can see it. Cookie Restore capsules. I'm gonna insert a picture if this is kind of blurry. But let me tell y'all, these things have changed the vagina game, okay? Pretty much dang near anything can throw off your pH balance. Our vaginas are so sensitive, you know what I'm saying? The list goes on and on of what can throw off your pH balance. Give you yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, UTIs, all of that, you name it. So I got this because I'm really, like I said, I'm really hygienic and I'm real big on the overall health of my vagina. I'm like, you know what? I'm about to do a hygiene video. I'm gonna put this in my video to help my pretty game babies out. Listen to me, y'all. Quote me. Buy this product, okay? And I'm gonna give you a discount and put it on my screen. Buy this product. Try it just for 3-4 days, okay? Maybe even a week. If it works for you, come back and let me know. Matter of fact, DM me on Insta. Snapchat me, whatever you want to do, and let me know did it really work for you. Well, basically the instructions is you use them for like you're supposed to use it for like a week straight, but I feel like that all depends on your circumstance and what your problem is. It depends on if you feel like you really need them. Me personally, every now and then I do 2, like because you have to put one up. Basically they're capsules that you insert in the vag. So you insert one in the vag and you put on that panty liner. She even sells panty liners that go with it that I heard are the bomb, but I just buy some. I insert one up there and you wait 24 hours for it to fully do its process and then insert the next one. I only do 2 capsules, probably like maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, just to keep up and maintain the health of my vag, you know what I'm saying? So they basically go up there and they dissolve and they detox your vagina and cleanse it out. That's basically what their job is. It has boric acid, which is really, really great when it comes to killing yeast infections, UTIs, bacterial vaginosis. It says they surveyed 300 women about their experience with this product, and here are the results. 96% said it removed odor after using once. They use it one time and it removed their odor completely. So if you're somebody struggling with odor, this is for you, baby. It says 99% yeast infection symptoms went away. So if you have a yeast infection or you have symptoms of it, not to say if you got the symptoms of you have a yeast infection, it helps to go away. It helps clear it up. 100% feel more confident about having sex. So if you're somebody who isn't confident in it, 98% feel extra fresh when used after period. Like I said, after your period, your pH balance is thrown off. This helps put that back in place. And 100% said it treated the after sex odor. Now, so basically after do, it will be a smell. But that's why it's kind of good to use it after you do. So you don't have to worry about any of their bacteria, you know what I'm saying, messing with your pH or anything like that. It's just good to use. Pretty much sums up and wraps up this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from your girl. Make sure I subscribe and become a part of Pretty Game because you're pretty. So why aren't you subscribed to my channel and a part of the Pretty Game? Right. So back to what I was saying. So tell everybody you know about your girl, and until next time, Pretty Game. Peace.